Hi, this is Chris. Now we are in the Innovex 2019, and I'm from the bIOSlab. And this year we have created a new product we call the LUMI. LUMI just we designed as like a desktop lamp. And in this desk lamp, you can see I can not just only this way, I can do it this way to change the form to looks like a night light. So before you go to sleep, you can feel very comfortable. And now I'm switched to going back. You can see the lights we're going to turn on, and here we can switch the light brightness. And I will turn off, and I will mention that it's not just a lamp, it's more than a lamp. Because there's a computer here, we have projector here, so you can see the computer here, we have just like a regular computer, like a speaker and a microphone here. And there's a USB port to connect with your wireless mouse or wireless keyboard. And also have HDMI input and output, so you can connect to your computer. So use just like a normal projector. And projector here, you also have a camera to detect some controller, and also have a webcam if you want to do a live stream, it's okay. So the projection will have some demo here. Let's see what's going on. So as you can see, it's just a screen here, but we just use our finger to touch this screen. Just as like you use the normal touch tablet. Like I open the printer, you can just write in here. LLO. And we support multi-touch, so you can just touch with more than one finger. Let's come back, don't save. So I just like I use the regular computer here. I open the folder, and then open the video like this.
Does your desk look like this?
Dieses Video wird euch von MSI präsentiert. News und Testberichte zu den MSI Gaming Produkten findet ihr unter dem Link in der Infokarte.
Okay, here we have prepared some games here, and there's a new interaction way between the virtual and reality. This is a chemistry story, a new way to learn the chemical formula. And now we use the card here. Now he asked me to put an OK here. We use the image recognition to enter this game. Now he's got the O and K. Now we start this game. Here we choose the stage 1, and then he will tell you how to play this game. Now there's a 3 questions. I just choose 1 question for this, and I don't know what it is, so I can choose the hints. Like I just give me the answer. Oh, the answer is hard, so I choose the other one. Okay. There's a hint, so I choose this one. Okay, he tell me some clues. Oh, now the answer he wants is H2O2. So I just need to find 2H and 2O here to put it together. Now press the check. Now he knows these 4 items, and I just choose 4. And H2O2 just drag over there. You can see the introduction about the H2O2 here. And then there's a 3D model. You can see the 3D model of the structure here. So it's a new way to learn the chemical formula. As I just mentioned that where our projector can rotate to projection on the wall, and the projector has autofocus, so I can just interact with this pen, like a drawing. You can see for the education or in the classroom, I can just draw here. Maybe for the children, it's very interesting for them. I just draw a horse here. See, I give it some hairstyle and save it. You can see my horse model is over there. I can just press it, get some interaction and some reaction, like man. So we have a landing page, and you can just go internet to see it. And we expect more market reaction because it's still a prototype. It's not going to the market. So we hope everyone can give some feedback to us. Thank you.